16 GMS MK2, 15 inches. Shoutout kay Boss Ferds.
Rear iron. Optic.
Sige nga, ipakita ko lang tong nasa box. Ito yung spec niya guys. Ayan, naka-gate aster siya.
No.
Pain Force gearbox.
Ilang rounds kaya?
And then, mid-cap magazine na 30 rounds.
May bala na yun.
So, ito na yung GT Advanced.
90 rounds na.
Magkano? Umigit ko lang.
Ayan. Sige, test natin. Corona check.
Boom boom. First shot.
421. Ito. Ito yung magazine mo. 30 rounds. With dummy bullets.
Ganda ng rear.
Okay na yan.
Optic oh.
Price is 20,500.
25. Pogi ng